Hello everyone. Are you preparing for the FRCS Orth Viva exam and wondering how to tackle it with confidence? Well, we've got something amazing to share with you, hot Vivas, tips and tricks to ace the exam.
That's right. This is the ultimate guide, created by consultant orthopedic surgeons Benjamin-Laing and Sharma. They are passionate about orthopedic education, and they've put together a course that's not just informative but also really engaging.
What makes Hot Vivas stand out is its unique approach. It's an animation-based course, designed like a fly-on-the-wall experience. You'll feel like you're right there in the exam room, watching how to ace the Viva Voce.
Let's talk about what's included. The course is packed with 4 comprehensive modules. First up, we've got Understanding the FRCS Orth Viva. This module breaks down the exam format, the scoring system, and, get this, it pinpoints the most common mistakes candidates make, along with strategies to avoid them.
And that's just the start. The second module dives into preparation strategies. Whether you need help with revision techniques, structuring a study plan, or finding the right resources, this module has got you covered. Plus, it includes mock exams and practice questions to help you feel exam ready.
Mock exams. They are an absolute game changer. But let's not forget the third module, Tips to Master the Viva Voce. This one's all about how to handle tough questions and properly understand the Viva dynamics.
It's all about building confidence and showcasing your knowledge effectively. And then comes the cherry on top, the fourth module. This is where the magic really happens.
Spot on. The fourth module features animated scenarios presented as a quiz. You'll watch real-life like examiner candidate interactions, and then get key points and stories highlighted under the videos. It's a brilliant way to not only learn the techniques but also make sure the knowledge sticks.
Here's a sneak preview.
Hello, this is your orthopedic hand and pediatric Viva station. You have 5 minutes. You are the orthopedic consultant. This 10-year-old boy with a limp complaining of knee pain. Here is his x-ray.
This is a AP lateral vertebral.
This course doesn't just teach, it transforms your preparation. It's designed to help you reach your full potential and absolutely excel in the exam.
So, whether you're feeling nervous about the Viva Voce or just want to refine your strategies, Hot Vivas is the perfect companion. Well, what are you waiting for? Click the link and start your journey to FRCS Orth success today. You won't regret it.